Hi everyone. Welcome to our English listening practice series for A1 learners. Today, we will learn 10 common verbs in a simple story. You can use this video to practice listening comprehension and learn new words and phrases. The title of our story is Anna's Big Day. Anna wakes up at 6:30 in the morning. Today is a special day. She will meet her best friend, Maria, in the city. Anna eats bread and eggs for breakfast. She eats quickly because she is excited. She goes to the bathroom and takes a shower. Then she takes her bag and goes to the bus stop. On the bus, Anna sees a small boy. The boy eats a banana and smiles. Anna smiles too. When she gets to the city, she calls Maria. "Hello Maria, I am here," she says. "Great, let's meet at the coffee shop," Maria says. Anna is happy. She runs to the coffee shop. Maria is already there. She takes a book from her bag. "This is for you," she says. "Oh, thank you," Anna says. "You always help me find good books." The girls eat cookies and drink coffee. They talk and laugh. Then Maria says, "Let's go shopping." They go to the market. Anna sees a red dress. "I love this dress," she says. "Do you want to buy it?" Maria asks. "Yes, I do," Anna says. She buys the dress and puts it in her bag. Next, they go to the bookstore. Anna wants to buy a notebook. She sees one with cats on it. She loves cats. Anna buys it and smiles. Later, they walk in the park. They see a small white dog. The dog is alone. "Oh no," Maria says. "Where is the dog's owner?" Anna calls the number on the dog's tag. "Hello," she says. "We found your dog in the park." A man says, "Thank you. I'm coming now." After 10 minutes, a man comes and takes the dog. "Thank you for your help," he says. "You're welcome," the girls say. Now the sun is going down. Anna and Maria go to the train station. "Thank you for today," Anna says. "You too," Maria says. "Call me when you get home." Anna goes home. She eats dinner with her family. Then she calls Maria. "I'm home now," she says. "Good, sleep well," says Maria. Anna goes to bed. She is tired but happy. It was a big day. It was a good day. Great job! You just listened to a full story using 10 useful English verbs. Let's say the verbs. Wake, eat, go, take, meet, buy, see, cool, help, run. Try to listen to the story again and repeat the sentences. Practice speaking out loud to improve your English. If you like this story and want more easy English practice, subscribe to this channel. Click the bell icon. And don't miss the next English listening story. You are doing great. Keep going. See you in the next video.